Have you ever wondered about the tiny, faraway worlds at the edge of our solar system? Pluto is one of the most famous. For years, Pluto was just a blurry, frozen dot, until the New Horizons spacecraft flew by and changed everything. Suddenly, Pluto revealed itself as a world of icy mountains, a glowing atmosphere, and a giant heart-shaped glacier. Scientists were stunned to find Pluto's thin, nitrogen-rich air glowing blue with layers of haze. This haze raised big questions. What was it made of? Did it change over time? To solve the mystery, we needed a new set of eyes. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope. Scientists pointed Webb at Pluto, hoping to catch its atmospheric dance. What they found was a cosmic weather show, proving Pluto is far more dynamic than we ever imagined. Even the smallest worlds can hold the biggest secrets. To unlock Pluto's secrets, we needed the James Webb Space Telescope, our ultimate space detective, designed to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before. With its advanced technology, Webb is able to reveal mysteries that have puzzled scientists for decades, especially those hidden in the far reaches of our solar system. Webb's giant golden mirror collects faint distant light, especially in infrared, revealing what's hidden from our eyes. This allows astronomers to see through cosmic dust and observe objects that are otherwise invisible, making Webb a powerful tool for exploring the unknown. Pluto's atmosphere is incredibly thin, about 100,000 times thinner than Earth's, and made mostly of nitrogen, with a touch of methane and carbon monoxide. Despite its thinness, this fragile envelope plays a crucial role in shaping Pluto's appearance and climate. When sunlight hits Pluto's methane, it sparks chemical reactions, creating tiny haze particles that drift down and form glowing blue layers. These layers scatter sunlight, giving Pluto its surprising blue sky, a phenomenon that's both beautiful and scientifically intriguing. This haze doesn't just look pretty, it controls Pluto's climate by absorbing sunlight and cooling the atmosphere. The haze acts like a sunshade, regulating temperatures and influencing weather patterns on this distant world. Before Webb, we had only a single snapshot from New Horizons, a brief glimpse that left us with more questions than answers about Pluto's ever-changing sky. Was Pluto's haze always there? Did it change with the seasons or over the years? Scientists needed to watch Pluto over time to truly understand its atmospheric mysteries. Webb's infrared vision was perfect for the job, allowing us to monitor Pluto's haze and atmosphere in ways never before possible. Now, we could finally tune into Pluto's weather channel, tracking changes and uncovering new patterns in its dynamic alien sky. The stage was set for a new era of discovery, as the Webb Telescope opened a window into Pluto's mysterious blue sky and the secrets it holds. Imagine watching steam rise from a pot on a chilly morning, curling and twisting as it meets the air. That gentle, mesmerizing movement is a tiny echo of something much grander happening far from Earth. Now picture that same dance of mist, but on a planetary scale. An entire world wrapped in a shifting veil of haze, its atmosphere alive with motion. The James Webb Space Telescope turned its gaze to distant Pluto, patiently observing for months. Its mission, to uncover the chemical fingerprints hidden in Pluto's mysterious haze and to reveal the secrets of its ever-changing atmosphere. What Webb found was astonishing. Pluto's haze isn't static or still. It rises and falls in a slow, rhythmic cycle, almost as if the distant world is breathing in and out, pulsing with a life of its own. The haze thickens at certain altitudes, then thins out, shifting and swirling as Pluto's long seasons change. These layers move in response to subtle changes in sunlight and temperature, creating a dynamic, ever-evolving sky. For the first time, scientists witnessed truly dynamic weather on Pluto, a world once thought to be frozen and unchanging. Pluto's long, stretched-out orbit around the Sun means its year lasts a staggering 248 Earth years, with seasons that unfold over decades. As Pluto creeps closer to the Sun, its surface ices begin to sublimate, transforming directly from solid to gas. This process puffs up the atmosphere, creating even more haze that drifts and dances above the surface. But when Pluto drifts away on its long journey, the gases freeze again and fall back, shrinking the atmosphere and causing the haze to settle gently onto the icy ground. This cycle repeats in a predictable seasonal pattern, a slow-motion weather system unique to Pluto, unfolding over generations. Thanks to the powerful eyes of Webb, we can finally witness Pluto's climate in action, revealing a world far more dynamic than we ever imagined. Pluto isn't just a frozen relic at the edge of our solar system. It's alive with change, its atmosphere rising and falling in a cosmic rhythm. Pluto's weather isn't like Earth's rain or snow, it's a cosmic game of hide-and-seek with haze, where the rules are written in ice and sunlight. Instead of clouds and storms, Pluto's atmosphere is a delicate veil, always shifting and never quite the same from one moment to the next. Imagine a dusty room lit by a lamp. Sometimes the haze thickens, sometimes it fades, all controlled by Pluto's distance from the sun. The farther Pluto drifts, the dimmer the light, and the more the haze retreats, almost as if the planet is playing with shadows at the edge of our solar system. When Pluto is closer, it breathes in. Ice turns to gas, the atmosphere expands, and haze fills the sky. This transformation is slow and silent, but it's powerful enough to change the face of an entire world. As it moves away, it breathes out. The gas freezes, the atmosphere shrinks, and the haze settles. The planet's surface becomes a canvas for frost, painting new patterns with every orbit. This breathing cycle takes decades, a slow dance of chemicals and light. Each revolution around the sun is a chapter in Pluto's atmospheric story, unfolding over generations. Unlike Mars's dust storms or Jupiter's raging hurricanes, Pluto's weather is subtle and gentle. There are no roaring winds or violent tempests, just a quiet, persistent haze drifting above a frozen world. The Webb Telescope let us watch this delicate balance for the first time. With its powerful eyes, we can finally witness Pluto's atmospheric ballet from billions of miles away. Pluto, once just a distant dot, now has its own weather report. We can track its hazes, its frosts, and its subtle changes, as if it were a living, breathing world. Even in the coldest corners of the solar system, there's a quiet, ongoing show. Pluto reminds us that even the most remote places are full of wonder and activity. Pluto is alive with change for anyone patient enough to watch. Its story unfolds slowly, but for those who look closely, it's a spectacle unlike any other. The universe is full of surprises, even in the smallest worlds. Pluto is proof that no place is too distant or too cold for something extraordinary to happen. Thanks to Webb, we're finally in the audience, watching Pluto's cosmic game of hide-and-seek unfold in real time. Why should we care about Pluto's hazy sky? Studying Pluto's simple atmosphere helps us understand how atmospheres form, interact with sunlight, and control climate, lessons we can use across the solar system. Pluto is a natural laboratory. Its thin, cold, simple air is easier to study than the thick clouds of Venus or Jupiter. By learning how haze forms and behaves here, scientists can build better models for other worlds, even Earth. This knowledge helps us search for life on exoplanets, many of which have hazy atmospheres that can hide important clues. Every insight from Pluto sharpens our cosmic toolkit. A hazy day on Pluto teaches us about chemistry, climate, and the search for life. Sometimes the smallest worlds teach us the biggest lessons. Pluto was once the oddball of the solar system, but science has revealed a world full of surprises. New Horizons and Webb have shown us towering mountains of water ice, vast plains of frozen nitrogen, and a heart-shaped glacier. Some regions are ancient, others are young and constantly renewed, signs of ongoing geologic activity. Beneath its icy shell, Pluto might even hide a liquid water ocean, kept warm by heat from its core. If true, Pluto joins the club of ocean worlds like Europa and Enceladus. Now, with a breathing atmosphere, Pluto's list of wonders keeps growing. It has mountains, glaciers, a possible ocean, and a sky that changes with the seasons. Pluto challenges our ideas of what a planet can be. Even the smallest worlds can be dynamic and complex. There are still secrets waiting in our own cosmic backyard. Pluto's story is one of surprises, a little world that keeps rewriting the rules. Every new mission, from New Horizons to Webb, reveals something unexpected. Pluto's breathing atmosphere is more than a cool fact, it's a testament to curiosity and innovation. We can now watch weather on a world billions of miles away, where air freezes and falls like snow. Pluto reminds us that science is always evolving. Today's frozen rock could be tomorrow's dynamic world. It's a symbol of resilience and wonder, showing that even the smallest objects can have a huge impact. So next time you look up, remember Pluto, its icy mountains, hidden ocean, and ever-changing sky. Its story is far from over. With tools like Webb, we'll keep listening to Pluto's secrets. The adventure is just beginning.